All right, here's the final colors we have. I tried those colors, but look at the picture. None of those matches. So we're talking spring green, definitely not. Meadow green, is that the right? Okay. And hunter green. None of these colors matches for the smudger. So the only last two options we have are Lifty green from Rust-Oleum and olive green from Tomica or Tamiya, whatever you're gonna call that one. Yes, those two colors. So which of these two, compare the pictures as you can see on your screen, which of these two options is better, left or right for smudger? Let me know in the comments, guys. Thank you.